Hi everybody, Mr. Eschbach here with you once again. Today we're going to be talking about sediments. We're going to watch a brief video and we're going to write down what we see in the video. So if you go to the first page of your packet, while I play the video, you'll write down anything you see in the box here. After we write down what we see in the video, we're going to go to page 2. Page 2, we try to make sense of what we just saw. So we're going to try to draw and label a model to help us explain how water changes sediments and what sediments look like close up. So in this blue circle here, you'll have a drawing of what you think it looks like if you were to zoom in with a microscope and see the interaction between the water and the rocks. So some questions you're going to want to try to answer in your drawing are down here. For example, what is happening to the sediment and how is it being affected by the water? Okay, after we've drawn a model, we'll go to page 3 and we'll compare our drawings. So on the left side of this chart, you'll write down what was similar between yours and your partner's models. And on the right side, you'll write down what was different between your two drawings. After you've compared drawings with a partner, we're going to come together and have a group discussion. We're going to decide on what we think is correct that should go in the drawing. So this is what we call a consensus. A consensus is what we all agree should go in the drawing. So after we've had this group discussion, we'll have our final drawing here showing how the water and the sediments are interacting. Okay, so let's go back to page 1. And in this box, we're going to write down what we see in the video. Okay, here we go. Please write down anything you see in the video. Okay, so finish writing down your observations, and then we'll go to page 2 and we'll draw a model of what we think is happening if we were to zoom in with a microscope. Thanks.